Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing saltfish bulldog. So I'll just show you the ingredients. I have red onions, white onion. I also have some tomatoes, and below this I've got some pimento peppers. I have cucumbers and also some sweet peppers. Now the salted fish that I have here, it's soaking for a little while in some warm water, well, hot water. I'm going to soak it again, squeeze it out, and we'll continue the process of making this delicious saltfish bulldog. Adding some more of the hot water. So the second set, and then I'm going to rinse it out after squeezing out most of the salt. Alright, so this is what it's looking like when I'm finished rinsing it out. As you squeeze it, it will start to get all chipped up like this, or you can make an effort with your fingers to chip it up a little more, because we want our saltfish to be small, in small pieces. So I'm going to use this garlic infused coconut oil to start sauteing the vegetables. I usually add the salted fish last. So I want to get the vegetables a little cooked before I add the saltfish, because remember the saltfish is preserved in salt, so it's going to be more or less in a cooked state, even though it's just salted fish. Alright, so I'm adding my bit of garlic infused coconut oil. I like to start with the onions, so that's what I'm adding first. Next thing I'm adding would be the tomatoes with the pimento peppers. I've got all my veggies in. I'm going to squeeze the saltfish and add it to the pot. Now to finish this off, you could add some olive oil. It already has considerable oil from the coconut oil, which is infused with the garlic. And it's up to you. I just like to taste the olive oil in it, and I also like the coconut infused olive, the garlic infused coconut oil. So it's up to you what you'll add afterwards. And we're pretty much done with our delicious saltfish bulldog.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Just Ellie.